welcome. We obviously haven't filmed for a while, but I've just had a delivery from the postman. I love little packets from the postman, even though Richard might not be too impressed with me. But we'll see what he says. And I'm sorry about this horrible red mess. I've not long got off the cross trainer when the postman arrived, so I look a bit flushed. So if you do know us personally, you know that we are currently supposed to be in Walt Disney World. I've probably felt it a little bit more this week because I've had more time on my hands, but Richard's been busy at work, so he's kind of not really thought about it too much. But even though every day we do get up and go, where would we be today? So this package has arrived, and I'll quickly show you the package. It is fragile, but the label where it's come from did make me chuckle a little. I'll see if I can get it in on camera so you can see. It is from the Harry Potter shop at platform 9 3/4. I wish we were at platform 9 3/4. So I have bought this because we were planning on going to Universal this time on this trip, and this, what is in here, I know for a fact we would have bought while we were there. So I thought, why not? Why not have a treat and see what it actually tastes like? Ah, there you go. What does it taste like? You'll figure out what it is when he opens the box. Also this week, we have been on a bit of a, not necessarily a downer, but on Monday, sure it would have been the day that we flew to Florida. So Monday we had a bit of an American snack kind of day. So me and Rich did a Costco run. I love a bit of Costco. And that'll be him ringing. Let me just cut him off. That'll be him telling me that he's on his way home, so he won't be long. But yeah, we went and did a bit of a Costco run. We do love Costco, so we ended up buying things such as corn dogs, pretzels, chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets as we started to call them in this house. We got Hershey bars, we got Reese's Pieces Thins, and some Twinkies. And we just pigged out really. But it was nice. I made a little campfire outside. I'll put a picture in if I can find it of the Costco trolley and what we got. But Richard's on his way home, so I'm going to go and get ready for him to come. See you, bye. So Richard's home. And so Rich, tell people where we should have been this week.
In Florida. I don't know where about in Florida.
Just in Florida.
Yeah, in Florida.
Walt Disney World. And where's one place that we were planning on going in Walt Disney World?
Magic Kingdom?
No, not necessarily Disney. Where were we going?
Discovery Cove?
Mm-mm.
Universal?
Right, and then where do we go in Universal? Where's one place that we have to visit when we're in Universal?
What, like Harry Potter?
Yeah, Harry Potter.
Right.
And what's one thing that we always get? One thing.
Butterbeer.
Right, well I might have got you something.
Right.
As a surprise. Don't tell me off because we're on camera.
Right.
And just read where it says it's from. Down here.
London.
No, just read where it says it's from.
The Harry Potter shop at platform 9 3/4 or 9 3/4.
9 3/4.
I know, it's 9 3/4.
Right, so you can now open that package. I'm a little bit excited. How cool are those boxes?
Are these both for me then?
No, they're not both for you. And it says,
Here you've
invent a drink, something from the broomsticks. Oh, from the 3 broomsticks, sorry.
Yeah, it's the 3 broomsticks, not the broomsticks.
But we never get them from the 3
You
broomsticks.
wouldn't have tried before.
We have obviously had butterbeer before.
Is it butterbeer? I'm trying to open it.
Without breaking the box, please.
No,
They're cool boxes.
I don't want to break the box.
Maybe you have to think of the seal here.
Oh, maybe.
I have got a knife if you would like one.
Yes.
I came prepared.
I haven't even looked like that. Yep. Glass.
Butterbeer, butterscotch,
I'm looking for the 3 broomsticks on the...
flavour, sparkling soft drink. So it is a soft drink. It's not actual beer. It's a leaky cauldron recipe, brewed and bottled in the United Kingdom. So obviously this isn't from America, but it's as close as we're going to get. Quite looking forward to trying these. I'll tell Richard, I found these from an advert on Facebook with, what's his name? This sounds really bad, but the little guy.
Warwick Davis.
Yeah, Warwick Davis was advertising these. So I thought I'd try. We'd have some this week. Oh.
Ooh.
No, I don't know if I'm a fan of that.
Smells like ice cream.
It's definitely butterscotch. It's not how I remember it.
It's not how I remember it.
Oh no.
It tastes like fizzy Angel Delight.
I don't even think it tastes like Angel Delight.
But without all the sugar. Smells like Angel Delight.
Oh no. I prefer it from Florida.
Orlando. Warner Brothers Studios in London.
I don't think the bottles are that nice.
You do it better than this. This is not. It's a drink. I just think they do it better than this. This is...
I'm not whinging.
Cheers, by the way.
It's not terrible, but it's just not how I remember it.
No. Neither me.
I can't say it's given me that Universal Florida kind of... Even the studios.
Yeah.
No.
Well, thank you very much anyway.
I'm sorry. I've tried.
So, here's to Florida next year.
Cheers.
Cheers.